Can I start? Okay. Good day, listeners. Today I'm going to solve this Olympiad competition question. As you can all see, is to find the value of m and n in this equation. So how to go about it? It's not too difficult. What you have to do is the first thing to do here is, as we know, their difference is equal to 2016, and we know 2016 is more than zero. That means we can know that this place, that is 2 raised to the power m minus 2 raised to the power n, is greater than zero, as you can see, because this one is greater than zero, so possibly also is greater than zero too. So after that, now we will now move now and solve the inequality. This 2 raised to the power m greater than, this one will come to the other side, which is 2 raised to the power n. So in mathematics, when two numbers are like this and we don't know the m and the n, and they have the same base, they have the same base and the index differ, that means you can conclude that m is greater than n. And if m is greater than n, that means what? M is equal to n plus k, where k is a constant. So where k is a constant. So k is any positive constant. You can choose k from everywhere. So any value can be k. So now we can now go now and solve the question. If k is a constant like this, so we will now go now and substitute the value of m in this equation. So it will give us what? The equation initially, remember, it was 2 raised to the power m minus 2 raised to the power n. So wherever you will see m, you change it with its real value, which is n plus k. That is 2 raised to the power n plus k minus 2 raised to the power n will be equal to 2016. So from there now, in law of indices, we have been taught that if a raised to the power m plus n, the same thing as a raised to the power m multiplied by a raised to the power n, addition law of indices. We are going to apply the same law in this place. So this one will give us what? 2 raised to the power n multiplied by 2 raised to the power k minus 2 raised to the power n is equal to 2016. So from there now, we are at 2 raised to the power n, 2 raised to the power n. That means we can factorize them here. So to now give us what? 2 raised to the power n, open bracket, 2 raised to the power k minus 1, like this, which is equal to 2016. So now we reach this place, and mind you, they are all in power of 2. That means we are going to get the prime factors of 2016. So let's get the prime factor of 2016. That is, let me do it here. 2000. So now 2016 now in power of 2, the prime factors, we are divided by 2. There will be 1, 0, 0, 8, right? 1, 0, 0, 8. Divide by 2 again. There will be what? 5, 0, and 4. So divide by 2 again to give us what? 2, 1, 10. 10 is 5. Here is 2. Divide by 2 again, give us 1, 2, and 6. So divide by 2 again to give us 6 and 3. So we can stop in this place. So we now come now and change this place to say give us what? 2 raised to the power n, open bracket, 2 raised to the power k minus 1, which is equal to, we know that we have how many 2 here? Today? 2 raised to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 raised to the power 5 multiply by, or you can put dots, multiply by 63. So all this will give us 2016. Now, as we can all see in this place, we have 2 raised to the power n, 2 raised to the power k minus 1, 2 raised to the power 5, and 63. How to find the values? We'll check. So now, as you can see now, we now get the prime factors of 63. So we now rewrite this one to be 2 raised power n, 2 raised power k minus 1, which is equal to, now 2016, you now write its value according to the prime factors. 2, you count the number of 2 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 2 raised to the power 5 multiplied by 63, like this. Very good. So now you are here. As we know that we have different numbers here, we have this one, we have 2 raised power k minus 1, 2 raised to the power 5, and we have 63. So 2 raised to any number in this world is even, as we all know. 2 raised to any number in this world is even, right? Even. 2 raised to any number here is even, minus 1 will be odd. That means here will be odd. 2 raised to the power 5 is even, and 63 is odd. So what we now do here is this: we now equate even to be even and odd to odd. Now give us what? 2 raised to the power n must be equal to 2 raised to the power 5 and 2 raised to the power k minus 1 must be equal to k minus 1, like this. So must be equal to 63. So like this. So from there, let me continue here. So from there, we have in law of indices, when they have the same base like this, that means 2 cancel 2. So here we can get n is equal to 5. N is equal to 5. And for the second one here, we have 2 raised to the power k. The minus 1 will go to the right side. It will be plus 1, which is 2 raised to the power k is equal to 63 plus 1. So we see how our n is equal to 5. You can leave it in this place. We continue from this place. That means 2 raised to the power k is equal to 64. So also get 64 in terms of prime factors. So you put your 64 in terms of prime factors. 2 goes here is 32. 2 goes 16. 2 goes 8. 2 goes 4. 2 goes 2. And 2 goes 1. So that's 64 is equal to 2 raised to the power, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 raised to the power 6. So we are therefore k is equal to 6. So now we have n and we have k. We can now find our m easily. So since m is equal to what? N plus k. That is m is equal to, n is what? N is 5. And we got n to be 5 here. Plus k is 6. So therefore our m is equal to 11. So you now reach your final conclusion, for they are asking to get n and m. You can now check it. You can check if the equation, if the solution satisfies the equation. So let's check. Check. So 2 raised to the power m minus 2 raised to the power n is equal to 2016. So now change m with its value, which is 2 raised to the power 11 minus 2 raised to the power n is what? 5. So which is equal to, so if our calculator 2 raised to, okay, now 2 raised to the power 11, I'm sorry, I was looking for a calculator. Power 11 give us 2048. So minus 2 raised to the power 5 is 32. So subtract them. 2 minus 8 is 6. 3 minus 4 is 1, and 0 and 2. So you see it is verified. So our m is 11 and our n is 5. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, click on the subscribe button, and also don't forget to like the video. Thank you and God bless you.